Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho CRM Plus. This powerful platform brings together sales, marketing, and customer support into one unified system. It provides a comprehensive suite of 11 integrated applications designed to streamline your business operations and enhance customer relationships. By centralizing your data and processes, Zoho CRM Plus helps you achieve greater efficiency and deliver exceptional customer experiences, ultimately driving significant business growth and improving overall productivity. Zoho CRM Plus offers a wide array of core features to empower your team. You can efficiently manage all customer interactions, from initial lead generation to post-sales support. The platform allows you to automate marketing efforts, track campaign success, and engage with prospects across various channels. Furthermore, it provides robust analytics and reporting, giving you actionable insights to make informed decisions and continuously optimize your strategies for better outcomes. To begin using Zoho CRM Plus, start by personalizing your dashboard to display the most relevant information for your role. Next, seamlessly import your existing customer data to ensure all your contacts are in one place. It is crucial to configure user roles and permissions carefully, granting appropriate access levels to your team members. Finally, integrate Zoho CRM Plus with your other essential business applications to create a cohesive and efficient workflow across your entire organization. To truly maximize your Zoho CRM Plus experience, leverage its powerful automation capabilities to streamline repetitive tasks, saving valuable time and resources. Take advantage of the AI-powered insights to make smarter, data-driven decisions that propel your business forward. Consistently review your performance reports to identify trends and areas for continuous improvement. Remember to engage with the extensive Zoho community and utilize their support resources for ongoing learning and to discover new ways to optimize your platform usage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.